What's happening, my good people? Guess what, man? I got parts. Nothing crazy. I just got my clutches for the Gsxr1000. If you remember one of my previous videos, the clutch went completely out in the Gsxr1000 and got beat up on by an electric bicycle, whatever it was. But so I got the clutches. I'm gonna do that today, and then I bought these brackets for the booster where I can use the lowering strap to lower the front end. I had it on before, the strap on before, but when I changed my front end over to the radial style Gen 2 setup, that caused me to not be able to mount it the same. So you buy these, it mounts to the calipers and then screws on the outside, and don't worry about that, I'll show you. So yeah, about to get that done. If I got some time after that, might do a couple practice launches on one or the other and see what it does, you know. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. I don't have the old forks here, so I can't show you, but see, the Gsxr has this bracket here that allows you to bolt the strap right here. You see what I'm saying? Before, on the booster, the way the brakes, the calipers were, it was just two screws here that bolted the caliper, and it was facing out. Yeah, so now it's like this. So I have to do the same thing to this as I did to that, using these. So it's just gonna go right there, and it's gonna go pop, and it's gonna go pop, pop, pop. Seeing how this is the easiest thing to do, I'm gonna do this first, and then I'm gonna get to these clutches. You heard me? 12, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm about to lay down on you. About to lay down, get real intimate with you. Talk real slow. This is what you want to do, right? You want to get that 12, right? Like so. You know, they say righty tighty, lefty loosey. You dig what I'm saying? And that was righty tighty. So I'm gonna pop that. I want to pop it. All right, something's going on. God damn, what I put this on with? That was lefty loosey. Jesus Christ. We gonna need to do one of these. Hold on, bruh. There we go. Whew. Yeah. Sheesh. There we go. My God. Alright. I should be using a socket. Where are my sockets at, man? It's hot as hell, by the way. Real warm out here, man. So we're gonna try to make this quick. Alright, so the way these straps work, let me see if I can explain. What happens is you use the straps, you pull down on the strap, it lowers the front end down, lowers the center of gravity, which is supposed to make it harder for the bike to lift up in the front when you go to launch. Does it work? Yeah, it helps. It helps a little bit. It definitely helps. It's not the best thing for your fork seals though, but it does indeed help. Let's bust this open. like so. And that's gonna go like that. All right, so got both sides on, like so, like so. And this is the strap that I had on here before. It's all dirty. So what you want to do when you put that on, you want to get it. Let's see, this is the side that tightens. So you want that to be on the left side. Loosen that up. Want that to be on the left side, like so. And you just want to drop it down between all your cables and stuff like that, wires and stuff. And this side goes on here under your throttle cables and stuff, like so. Throw that on that side, like that. And then you just come here, like that. Damn, I didn't loosen it up enough. You just come in there like that. Oh shit. Yeah. Alright, all done. So that's how it looks. There's just straps on right there. Come across to the other side, down in there. And then when you're ready to use it, what you do is you grab this end, the end that you use to pull to tighten. You grab it like so. You roll the bike forward, hit the front brake. That's going to compress the forks, and then you pull it to tighten it, and then it locks it in place. And then you're ready to go. And then after your race, you can release it to get all that tension off the forks, so you won't be busting seals and stuff. Now, time to do the clutches. Alright, so prior to putting the clutches in, what you want to do is you want to soak them. You want to soak these clutches in oil. It's a wet clutch system. Bikes are wet. It's a wet clutch. So you want to soak these in there. You don't want to put them in the bike dry. So what you do is you just get clutches, all the fibers there. I really should have checked to see if my steel plates are okay. I think they'll be fine. These are the fibers here. So you just put them in a little Ziploc bag like so. Put them in a little Ziploc bag. Bam. And then just put a little oil in there. Put a little oil in there. And just let them sit for a little while. I should have been did this, but I didn't. Uh-oh. There we go. That in there like that. Like that, like that. I usually use it like a pan or something. But this should work. This should be fine. And just let those soak in there. Make sure all of them are covered in the oil. I don't even think it matters what kind of oil that you soak them in. You just want them wet when you put them in.
Nah, bro, that's more oil than I thought. I said a little oil. So we gotta have it on the finish stand before it actually kicks in on it. It wouldn't be that much oil. Yeah,
Alright, so when you take these clutches out, You want to take this. You want to take the pressure plate out. The cover. Take that cover off like that. Make sure there's a washer in here. Make sure you don't lose this washer right here. If you can see it, it's right in there. Make sure you don't lose that. So we're gonna put that face down. This little bearing here. Lose that. So you just take them out one by one. So if you start off with fiber, you'll have fiber steel, fiber steel, fiber steel, you know. So you have a fiber plate like that, and then followed by a steel like that. This is kind of, the steel is a little discolored, a little burned up. I probably could use some new ones, but it'll be fine for now. So just gonna take them out just like that. Take them all out. Damn, I think I already see the damage.
You okay? Okay.
Damn, I'm already seeing some damage. Good grief. Yeah, these things are burnt. Look at that. Burnt.
I got a little something for you.
Burnt up. Look at this here. Look at this. This is. Look at that.
Yeah, I see that.
Burnt up. Golly. I've never in my life burnt up clutches like this before. This clutch is old though. Look at this. Look at that. That's why the clutch let go. It said, no more, I'm done, son. I'm going home.
Take the rest of that oil out of there. Like that down. And now I'm off to the store to get some more. Ooh.
Alright, I'm back. Got a new filter, got some oil. Let's take this thing out. Should need a wrench, it should be hand tight. How many threads on this mug? Damn. This thing will smoke like a train when I get it back. Start it up.
Good, buddy. Good.
Alright, so fiber. In a steel. Fiber, steel, fiber, steel, just put it in exactly the way you took it out and you'll be fine. Put the plate back on. There. Like so. And then I'm going with the Brox clutch, clutch springs. They're a little stiffer. It's gonna make them grab a little more. It's gonna be a little bit more aggressive with the shifts, but you know, it's a little upgrade to make sure them things grab, you feel me? Alright, let's look at the Brox compared to the factory one. This is the factory spring here. This is the Brox next to it. So you see the Brox is a little taller, and then the coils are a little spread out a little more. So it's pretty damn stiff. Pretty stiff. Man, that clutch is tough, boy. It's tight. Oh yeah, this thing gonna grab. She gonna grab. Look at that. That's clutch. That's clutches right there. Burnt up clutches. Disgusting. Ooh. Yeah, clutches. Boy, my left hand gonna be buff as hell. That's around this clutch. Somebody spicy. Oh yeah, she's back. Gee whiz. That's a whole lot better. Way stronger than before. Let's see. Get a quick launch and see real quick how she feel. Got no kind of, I'm gonna go anyway. This bike is track only, no VIN numbers. The frame say race only. I ain't got no plates, no nothing. So the cops get behind me, I ain't stopping. You feel me? The video with the with the Gsxr1000, but I have to put the boost in the garage, so might as well just ride it around the block. Everything about this bike. What up, Daryl? hard time launching this bike. It's like, if I could launch this bike the way I launched the Gsxr1000, it's 8-second bike all day, guaranteed. The rods and the booster soon, so I'm gonna be shooting for 400 horsepower. That should be more than enough power for me to get my mid 8, high 8, low 8, whatever, anywhere in the 8s. I'll be fine. I'm sure I could do it now, but I just need to get this clutch situated, and I need more seat time on it to get used to, you know, launching it all over again. Because before the turbo, you know, I would launch at lower RPMs, and now, well, since I've gone turbo, like my two-step is set at 8 grand, so it's different. So, but anyway, you guys be easy, and I'll holler at y'all next time. Peace.